Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to block explicit content on X. So to do this, you will need to use your browser because actually my X application does not support that options. So if you have that problem as well, then use your browser. So sign in to your X account, and now you want to tap your profile picture in the top left and scroll a little bit down to Settings and Privacy, then find section Privacy and Safety. Then go to a section that's called Content You See, and now this is the option that you were looking for: display media that may contain sensitive content. You want to turn it off. And if you go to Search Settings right here, find option Hide Sensitive Content, you want to put this tick in this checkbox so that you do not see this explicit type of content in your search results. So it's basically done. Now you will not see such content in your feed and also in your search results. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.